Hi, I'm Ray Hedelson with Aeration Industries International. I just want to highlight a few new features of our Triton 2.0 aerator. So one of the main purposes of our design is to increase aeration efficiency. So we have completely redesigned our propeller and we've achieved a 20%, up to 20% increase in standard aeration efficiency. On top of the efficiency increase, we've maximized the thrust that we're able to get out of the propeller, so providing us with more powerful mixing. And our volume flow rate has also increased, so we are moving more water with our new line of propellers. In addition to the efficiency increase, we've also redesigned the lower end of the unit with a key design, so it's easier to pull the propeller off and put it back on instead of threading it into place. So it's mechanically it's improved, and then it's more efficient. Thank you.